And we're back to learning CapCut. Let me show you how to create this spin rise transition. Got the two clips in the timeline. Let me select the first one. I go to animation, combo, and then you have to scroll a little bit until you can find the rise spin transitions. There are two, a spin rise and a rise spin. For the first clip we want to use the rise spin, and for the second the spin rise. And then we have to adjust the duration. Let us switch to the first one, and here you want to drag the left hand slider and shorten it to around 1.5. And the second one, there we want to drag the right hand slider to the left and shorten it. Again, I would stick to around a second or two. You can obviously experiment with the different durations, and that's all there is. So again, the first one was the rise spin and the second the spin rise. Don't get that mixed up. And then you can recreate this transition. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.